POV IVVQ engineer in the old days. Review the system requirements. Create the test plan. Write the test cases for a requirement. 5 minutes later. Write the test script. 5 minutes later. Great. You wrote one test case and its test script in 10 minutes. Now let's see how Komainu helps you generate all your test cases and test scripts in a matter of seconds. Komainu finds 4 missing test cases. Komainu generates a complete test procedure for each test case. After reviewing Komainu's suggestions, you can apply the changes directly to your ALM. Great! The missing test cases have been successfully added to your ALM. The test procedure has been successfully created. Thanks for watching.